morning, guys. So this morning I'm gonna show you my breakfast smoothie, at least one of them, because sometimes I make a green smoothie with avocado, celery and spinach. So that's the one I'm gonna be making this morning with some coconut water, but I'm out of coconut water, so I'm gonna use regular bottled water. Or I make a protein shake because I'm about to hit 40 in a couple of months, and since them weights be coming on, okay, I am currently at 140. Anybody knows me know that I've been a skinny girl all my life. I have never weighed more than 120 pounds. Most of my life growing up, I have been 100 pounds. Yes, and now I'm 140. I like the weight. I like how, you know, it makes the behind looks and all of that, but I don't want to get no bigger, so I have to nip it in the butt. So I'm working out 3 times a week, sometimes 4 times, sometimes more than that. So I'm trying to maintain the weight and not get any bigger. Anyways, let me show you guys what I make. So here we have the spinach, the celery and the avocado over there, and I'm just gonna, so I put all the ingredients in the blender. I'm just gonna put some water in there, depending on how much water you want. You don't have to put a lot. I'm just putting that amount in there. So guys, I've put all the ingredients in the blender, and I have the avocado, the celery and the spinach, and I think I'm gonna put some bananas in there. One sec. Yes, so I add some bananas, like a half a banana in there. So yes, and I put like a little bit of water in there, not too much, like about half bottle of water or more, and I'm just gonna blend them together and show you guys what it looks like. So it's finished, and this is what it's looking like. Rich and creamy and nice. I'm just gonna pour it out into the cup. Look at that. Ooh, nice. See? A little bit over, but that's fine. Looking so good. And this is it, guys. I'm drinking. So good and healthy. You should try it and let me know what you think. Okay, bye.